Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are so very happy to have you join us. In this video, we've got some great tips for you on what to do when you find yourself stuck in traffic. Whether it's a daily commute or an unexpected delay, we've got you covered with these productive and entertaining activities. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more automotive insights and helpful tips. 10 things to do while stuck in traffic. Are you tired of sitting in traffic, feeling frustrated and wasting precious time? Don't let the gridlock get you down. Instead, discover 10 productive and enjoyable activities to make the most of your time while stuck in traffic. Whether you're a daily commuter or just facing an unexpected delay, these simple yet effective strategies will help you turn idle moments into valuable opportunities. From learning a new language to catching up on your favorite podcasts, this video will guide you on how to stay productive and entertained during those seemingly endless traffic jams. So buckle up and get ready to make the most of your time on the road. Plan your day. When you find yourself stuck in traffic, it can be frustrating and time-consuming. However, instead of letting the traffic get the best of you, why not make the most of this idle time? Use this opportunity to plan your day ahead and increase your productivity. By organizing your tasks and setting clear goals, you can make the best use of your time and accomplish more. Here are a few strategies to help you effectively plan your day while stuck in traffic. Make a to-do list. Start by making a to-do list of all the tasks you need to complete. Break down your day into smaller, manageable tasks that you can focus on. Whether it's work-related assignments, personal errands, or other responsibilities, jot them down on your list. By writing them out, you'll have a clear overview of what needs to be accomplished. Set goals. Once you have your to-do list ready, it's time to set specific goals. Determine what you want to achieve by the end of the day or week. Having well-defined goals can provide you with direction and motivation. Whether it's finishing a project, meeting a deadline, or learning a new skill, establish measurable and realistic goals that align with your overall objectives. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks on your to-do list hold the same level of importance or urgency. Prioritize your tasks based on their significance and deadline. Identify the critical tasks that must be completed and focus on those first. By prioritizing, you can ensure that you're working on the most important tasks that align with your goals. This way, you'll be able to accomplish more in less time. By planning your day while stuck in traffic, you can turn a frustrating situation into a productive one. Make a to-do list to have a clear overview of your tasks, set goals to stay motivated, and prioritize your tasks to ensure that you're working on what matters most. With these strategies in place, you'll be able to make the most out of your time and accomplish your goals efficiently. Learn something new. In the fast-paced world of today, it's important to make the most of every moment, even when stuck in traffic. Instead of letting valuable time go to waste, why not use it as an opportunity to learn something new? Here are a few ways you can expand your knowledge while sitting behind the wheel. Listen to audiobooks or podcasts. One of the best ways to make your commute more productive and enjoyable is by immersing yourself in the world of audiobooks and podcasts. With a wide variety of genres and topics to choose from, you can find something that matches your interests or explore new subjects altogether. Audiobooks allow you to dive into engaging stories and valuable non-fiction books without having to read a single page. From thrilling novels to educational content, there's an audiobook for everyone. You can either purchase them or subscribe to platforms that offer unlimited access to a vast library of titles. Podcasts, on the other hand, provide a more conversational and informative listening experience. From educational podcasts that delve into specific subjects to entertaining shows hosted by industry experts and celebrities, there's a podcast to suit every taste. Whether you want to stay up to date on the latest news, learn about personal development, or indulge in your favorite hobbies, podcasts have got you covered. Start an online course or language lessons. Another great way to make the most of your time stuck in traffic is by enrolling in online courses or language lessons. Thanks to the internet, there's an abundance of platforms and resources that offer virtual learning opportunities. You can choose to enhance your professional skills by enrolling in courses related to your field or explore new areas of interest. Whether it's coding, graphic design, marketing, or any other subject that excites your curiosity, online courses provide a flexible and convenient way to expand your knowledge. Additionally, if you've always wanted to learn a new language, why not use your commute to practice? There are numerous language learning apps and websites available that offer interactive lessons and exercises. From beginner levels to advanced fluency, you can progress at your own pace and become multilingual while sitting in traffic. By utilizing audiobooks, podcasts, online courses, and language lessons, you can transform your commute into a valuable learning experience. So, the next time you find yourself stuck in traffic, take advantage of the opportunity to learn something new and make the most of your time on the road. Relax and distress. Life can get hectic, and there's no denying that being stuck in traffic can be a frustrating experience. However, it doesn't have to be all stress and annoyance. Use this opportunity to relax and distress by practicing some simple techniques that can help you find your inner peace. Take a deep breath, embrace the moment, and let go of the tension. Practice deep breathing or meditation. One effective way to relax while stuck in traffic is to practice deep breathing or meditation. Deep breathing involves inhaling slowly through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air, and then exhaling through your mouth. This technique helps calm the nervous system and reduce stress levels. Meditation, on the other hand, involves focusing your attention on the present moment and letting go of any racing thoughts or worries. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and begin to focus on your breath. As you breathe in and out, allow your mind to let go of any stress, and simply be present in the moment. Listen to calming music. Another great way to relax in traffic is to listen to calming music. Create a playlist of your favorite soothing tunes or explore genres like classical, instrumental, or nature sounds. Music has a powerful effect on our emotions, and by choosing calming melodies, you can create a serene environment within your car. As you listen to the music, let the melodies wash over you and transport you to a peaceful state of mind. Allow the soothing sounds to melt away any tension and take you on a mental journey away from the traffic congestion. This simple act can help shift your mood and make the waiting time more enjoyable. Remember, being stuck in traffic doesn't have to be a source of stress. By incorporating practices like deep breathing or meditation and enjoying calming music, you can use this time to relax, recharge, and find inner peace amidst the chaos. Embrace the opportunity to focus on your well-being and make the most out of every situation, even when you're stuck in traffic. Stay entertained. When you find yourself stuck in traffic, it can feel frustrating and time-consuming. However, there are ways to make the most of this situation by keeping yourself entertained. Here are a couple of activities that can help make your time stuck in traffic more enjoyable. Listen to your favorite music playlist. One of the best ways to pass the time while stuck in traffic is to listen to your favorite music playlist. Music has a way of lifting our spirits and can help make the journey more enjoyable. Whether you prefer soothing melodies to relax or upbeat tunes to energize you, having a curated playlist can make your commute feel less monotonous. Pair this with a quality pair of noise-canceling headphones or earbuds, and you'll be able to drown out the sounds of honking horns and engine revs, creating a personal oasis of music in the midst of traffic chaos. Play mobile games or solve puzzles. If you're looking for a more interactive way to stay entertained while stuck in traffic, playing mobile games or solving puzzles can be a great option. Nowadays, there is an abundance of games and puzzle apps available for smartphones, offering a wide range of options to suit your interests. Whether you enjoy brain teasers, word games, or even virtual card games, these mobile applications can provide a fun and engaging distraction during your traffic-filled journey. Just remember to keep your attention on the road and only engage in these activities when you're at a complete stop or in a safe environment. Incorporating these activities into your time stuck in traffic can help transform a frustrating experience into a more enjoyable one. By listening to your favorite music playlist or engaging in mobile games and puzzles, you'll be able to stay entertained and make the most of your downtime on the road. Stay productive. Being stuck in traffic can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be a complete waste of time. Use this opportunity to stay productive and make the most out of your time on the road. Here are 2 ways you can stay productive while stuck in traffic. Organize your phone or computer files. Take advantage of the downtime to declutter and organize your digital world. Start by going through your phone or computer files and delete any unnecessary documents, photos, or apps. Sort your files into appropriate folders and create a systematic organization system that will make it easier to find what you need in the future. By organizing your files, you can save time in the long run and have a more efficient digital workspace. It will also free up storage space on your devices, preventing them from slowing down. Use a file management app or the built-in organization features of your operating system to streamline this process. Thank you for joining us in exploring these valuable tips for making the most of your time while stuck in traffic. We hope you found these suggestions helpful in turning a frustrating situation into a productive one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more insightful content. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into even more strategies to make your daily commute more enjoyable. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Thank you so very much for watching.